What is up guys, iWatch here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode for the YouTube app. So, how are we doing it? We need to go to YouTube and then right click, inspect, or we can press Option Command I. It's also work for Windows. Now we need to go to console, like you can see, and paste this code down below, like you can see, and press enter. Then we don't need it anymore. We're going to refresh the page.
What is up guys?
Like you can see, it's changed. Over here, you have here these settings or the icon of your channel like me. But now I'm going to show you if you are not users of YouTube or Google. The three dots, we have here dark mode. We're going to activate. Like you can see, now I have a fully dark mode for YouTube. If we go into search for videos, go into my live, and like you can see, dark mode. Let's go to another person video, like iJustine.
Hey guys, how's it going?
And let's go to the matte black mixer unboxing.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's just
like you can see over here, also matte black and the black YouTube. So it's perfect. Let's do it one more time, and when you get out from Google Chrome, also you need to have Google Chrome at the fully updated version. We need to go to Google Chrome, and when I go into YouTube, like you can see, it's not a dark mode over here in YouTube. What I'm doing right now, again, going to the inspect, console, paste the code, enter. I don't need the inspect anymore, refresh, and I'm back for the black mode. Like you can see, the dark mode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.